So today I'm very excited. I'm going to do a closet. I get so excited when I organize things. It is just so fun for me. It's weird, but it's really fun for me. The first thing I do, I'm just thinking about a plan, but in this plan is going to involve taking everything out. I'm taking everything off the top shelf and then going to have that all looked through and sorted out. What needs to stay, what doesn't need to stay, what can be thrown away. Then the next part of my plan is there's two girls sharing this. So making sure that their clothes are each in their own section, and then there's actually a third section for dress up clothes. Now I'm sorting that all out into colors per section, and then I'm actually going to also rearrange. There were multiple color hangers, so I'm putting each person's section in a particular color. So the one little girl has the white hangers, the other little girl has the bright pink hangers, and then the dress ups in a light pink hanger. That's also just going to make everything look neater and better. And then I'm excited, there are quite a few things that don't need to stay, so that's going to go out. So you'll see I'm putting that container back. That's actually stacked on top of another one. Those are things that need to stay in this space. The one has extra stuffed animals in, teddies and things, and the other one has shoes that the girls need to grow into. Now these are some books. These are actually separate from some of their day-to-day reading books. These are holiday books. So the one section on the side is Christmassy books, and those need to stay in here. So I've organized them by color on the one side, and then you'll see I put a few books on the opposite side on the left, and those are other holiday books that need to stay in here. So I put those on the other side so they're in their own department. And then in the middle I stacked up some school books. Here is the end result. It looks so beautiful, still functional with things that needed to stay, but it looks pretty, it's organized, and we didn't even make any purchases. So that was wonderful.